Okay, in this demo here, I'm going to show you how you can zoom and crop the clones, and also how you can create multiple views of the same clip. So first thing we're going to do here is we're going to show you, we'll use number 3 here. So I'm going to press the 3 button to create a clone of it. And then we're going to expand this window here. Get this as big as we can make it. And then I hit the R key because I want to resize this window. So I'm going to resize it without changing the zoom here. So I'm going to bring it down. And maybe what I want to do here is I just want to crop and not see the wheel. So I'll put that over here, like that. And now as I play this, I can just simply see the rear view without the wheel in it. But let's say I also want to have a view of the wheel as a clone too. What I can do is I can load another view of that same file by going to the playlist, pull this over here, and pick the rear view again. And now it's going to remind me that I already have a view, but would I like to do a second view? And I'll say yes. So it loads the second view in here. And let me just play a little bit here to get it caught up. And now I'm going to use number 4 here. And I'm going to create that view. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing here. I can keep that size, but I want to crop it. So I'm going to just make a little larger here. Hit the R button, R key, and then I'm going to resize it. And bring that down a little bit. And now I can see the wheel here. So now I've got actually the same file with 2 different views, and I can put this anywhere on another monitor, any place on the current monitor, but just for demo here I'll show you. So now when I play it, you can see I have 2 different views cropped from the same video. So that's how you can do a zoom and crop, and also make multiple views of each video.